2022 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.